Good morning, all my dear students of class 5. On the behalf of our school Sri Patrao Bhosle High School, Usmanabad, this is your maths teacher and the host of this video, Ajit Haridas Mane. Welcome into this online video lecture series of class 5 for subject mathematics here. Now, our school has started its own YouTube channel by its name Sri Patrao Bhosle High School, Usmanabad. There, on this YouTube channel, we published all our videos that are made by our teacher time to time there. Now, on this YouTube channel, you can watch all these videos at any time as per your convenience there. So, previously we completed our first two lessons there. I think all the videos of these two lessons, all the students should be watched carefully, understand those concepts there. Now, after completion of first two lessons, that is first lesson Roman numerals and second lesson, that is the number work. After these two lessons, now today we are going to start here our third lesson, that is addition and subtraction here. So this is your class 5 mathematics here, and this is our third lesson, addition and subtraction. So first two basic operations on numbers that we are going to continue in this our third lesson. So from standard 1 we continues these two operations like addition and subtraction there in second standard also, in third standard also, or in fourth standard also. We complete these two operations regularly. Now in this fifth standard also we have given the basic operations like addition and subtraction. Now in previous standard we continues some simplest number like 6 digit, 5 digit, 4 digit, 3 digit, etc. one. Now when we completed our second lesson for this class 5, that is the number work, in that number work we are getting the introduction up to 8, 9, 10 digit number, that is up to crore plus, 10 crore plus, billion places. That means in this fifth standard we have some bigger numbers for the study here. So on this related about bigger numbers, we are going to continue these two basic operations, addition and subtraction, in this video. So at the first we are taking the introduction of this addition process here. First, it is important to take the meaning for this addition process, that's important here. So while taking the meaning of this addition process we already learned from first standard. So here I am getting into this slide the meaning of addition in this way. Addition of two or more than two numbers means to obtain greater number than the given number as the result of process. That means when we continues addition of two or more than two numbers there, the result of their addition that we get, it's always greater than the given numbers here. That's why here I'm taking one example in front of you. You can observe this example clearly into the slide here. The example is related between addition of two number. The first number you can observe here 4557 and second number 5275. So while making the addition of these two number, their sum that we get here as 9832. Now when we observe, when we clearly seen here, or we can make the comparison between these three numbers here, that is 9832, we observe it is greater than first two numbers that are 4557 and 5275. So here at the last we are writing here 9832, it is greater than 4557 and 5275. So from this example we have explaining here the meaning of addition, that when we make addition of any two or more than two number, the result, that means their sum that we get, it always greater than the given two numbers there. So that's the meaning of addition process. Now let's continue how to make the addition of two or more than two numbers at a time. There's basic steps now we are to follow in this next slide here. So let's continue. The heading for the next slide as steps for vertical method of addition here. So you know about addition process from standard 1 there. Now the example of addition that always given in horizontal method, and when we continues the addition process, when we calculate the answer of addition of two numbers, we had to make their vertical arrangement. So with this vertical method, now we are going to explaining their steps here. So into this slide we can observe here, while making addition of two or more than two numbers in vertical method, we have to follow the steps given below. Now first step that is important is write all the digits in their proper places. So when we make addition of two or more than two numbers in the given example, it is necessary or it is compulsory to write all the digits at their own proper places there. It is very important if you want to get the correct answer of addition. And second step, start the addition process from digits at unit places. So after completion of the vertical method, that means after arranging the given two or more than two numbers in vertical method, we had to start the operation of addition from ones place or unit place there. So to explain these two steps with the help of example, at the right side here I am taking one simple example in front of you. Let's read out that example here. The example is in this way, that is 4579 plus 2356 here. So while getting the answer for this addition here, let's give that pay attention towards the vertical arrangement that here I am following. So here I am making 4 columns because the both numbers are just of 4 digit, that is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Of these 4 places that here I am taking, and into these 4 columns ones, tens, hundred and thousand, we had to arrange both numbers here. First number we arrange as 4579, 10 we take plus sign there, and while arranging second number 2356, 2 we arrange into 1000 column, 3 we arrange at 100 column, 5 we arrange into the tens column, and 6 we arrange into the ones column. This is the first step we had to do proper way. All digits we had to write at their proper places, one below each other. After making this vertical arrangement correct way, then you can start addition from ones place there. So into this example we start the addition from ones place, that is 9 plus 6 we had to make the addition. 9 plus 6 we got the sum as 15. Now 15 we cannot write as it is, so instead of 15 we write just there 5, and 1 we take as a carry into the next addition into the tens column. After that we move towards tens column. First we make the addition of 7 and 5, that is 7 plus 5 we get 12 there, and 1 carry we add into that. 12 plus 1 we got total sum 13. Now for 13 we write 3 into the tens column, and 1 we take carry into the next addition, that is of 100 plus. Now in 100 plus when we comes, we make addition of 2 digits there, 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 we get 8, and 1 carry if we make add there we get 9. So we write 9 into the 100 column, and at the last column, that is at 1000 plus 4 plus 2 that we get. So 4 plus 2 that we get as a 6 here. So we continues the final answer of this addition as 6935. This is called as sum of these two numbers here. So let's observe this slide carefully to get the meaning and the understand of the steps for the vertical method of addition here. Now let's move towards the next slide here. On next slide we are taking first example that is related about our class 5 here. Now into the next slide you have to observe the addition of two numbers here. First number that here I am getting 5,13,420 plus second number that we continues here 2,92,732. Now while taking this example in front of you, both numbers that here I am taking of similar digit, that means first number is of 6 digit and second number is also of 6 digit. Now from this example, now we had to take the important vertical arrangement how we can done, that is important here. So both numbers are of 6 digited, so we are taking 6 columns here, that is of 6 places, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Now first number we arrange that 5,13,420. After arranging we take plus sign there and we want to arrange their second number. So in this second number 2, that extreme left position important, this 2 we arrange into the lakh place, 9 we arrange into the 10,000 place column, 2 again we arrange into 1000 place column, 7 we arrange into the 100 place column, 3 we arrange into the tens place column, and 2 we arrange into the ones column. Now after arranging in this way, that is the proper way, all digits we write one below each other at proper places correct way. Now we start addition from ones column. Now as per the basic addition process we always start from ones oblique unit place, that is important, keep in mind. So let's observe at unit place, that is ones place, we make addition of 0 and 2. So 0 plus 2 we get answer as 2, we write into the ones column. Now let's move towards tens column. We had to make addition of 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 we got 5s there. Thereafter we move towards 100 column. Let's make addition of 4 and 7. So 4 plus 7 we got 11. 11, this is a 2 digit number, so we cannot write because the next addition we had to continue again. So 11 for we write 1 into the example there into the 100 column, and thereafter 1 taken as a carry into the next 1000 columns here. Let's move towards 1000 column. We continues the addition of 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2 we get 5, and we make addition of 1 into that 5. So 5 plus 1 we get 6 there. Now into 10,000 column we have addition of 1 and 9, these 2 digits. So 1 plus 9 we get 10. So for 10 we write 0 into 10,000 column, and 1 we take as a carry into the lakh place at the lakh column there. Now at the last lakh column 5 plus 2 we got 7 there, and 7 plus 1 we get 8 there. That means after lakh column we had to complete this addition here. So as the result of this addition we got the sum into this example as 8,06,105 here. So let's observe this example carefully how we can make the vertical arrangement and the important concept, that is the carry forwarding, that's important here. So after this we move towards the next example now. Now let's observe this next example in front of you, that here I am taking. Now into the next example, here I am taking again 2 numbers in front of you. The reading of those 2 numbers first we are getting. The first number 7 crore 21 lakh 36,150 plus second number 3 lakh 21,391. Now if you observe this example, you can get easily in your mind the first number that we take here, it is of 8 digit, and second number that we taken here, it is just of 6 digit. Now this is the another type of example that would be asked to you into the problem set there. Now the number of digits in both given number is different. First number is of 8 digit and second number is just of 6 digit here. Now it is important to make the vertical arrangement proper way in such examples here. So here I am saying, let's observe the vertical method carefully first. So while making the vertical arrangement, here I am taking total 8 columns, 8 places, starting from 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore there. After taking these 8 columns, first number, 8 digit number, we arrange from crore place, 7 crore, 21 lakh, 36,150. Now, it is important to arrange second number carefully here. Now, second number is just of 6 digit. So, most of students that started to arrange second number from crore place, that means they arrange 3 below 7 there, but they do forget that this 3 has place lakh. So lakh place we should take below lakh place. It is important. So if you do not knowing about this method, then we had to arrange second number in opposite way. That means first we write ones place, then tens place, then 100 place, and then at last lakh place. So if we arrange the second number opposite way, we write 1 in ones column, 9 into tens column, 3 into hundreds column, 1 into thousand column, 2 at the 10,000 column, and 3 we write into the lakh column. Then you have to get the proper correct vertical arrangement here. So after making vertical arrangement correct way, now it is important to start the addition of this example from ones column. Let's observe ones column here. 0 plus 1, we get the answer as 1. We write there. Now let's move towards tens column. 5 plus 9, we had to continue. So 5 plus 9, we got the sum as 14. Now 14, this is a 2-digit number. So instead of 14, we write 4 as the answer and 1 taken as the carry into the next 100 column. Now let's move towards into the 100 column. 1 plus 3, that we get 4 there and we make carry into there. That is the plus 1. So 4 plus 1, we got answer as 5. Now at 1000 plus, 6 plus 1, we get 7. At 10,000 plus, we got 3 plus 2 as a 5 there. At lakh place column, 1 plus 3, we got answer as 4. At 10 lakh place and at crore place, there are no digits below there. So we write the answer of 10 lakh place as true as it is, and at crore place we write the answer 7 as it is. So after getting this last addition at crore place, the final answer we get, that is 7 crore 24 lakh 57,541. This is called the sum of these two numbers here. So let's observe this example carefully. Such examples are frequently asked into this 5th standard here. Such examples are important for us. Now in first and second example, we observe the addition of only 2 numbers. According to the basic concept of addition here, we can make addition of more than 2 numbers at a time. So let's move towards the next slide to attend the such examples here. Now into this next slide here, I am getting the example in front of you. In this example, I am taking 3 numbers for addition here. The first number that here I am taking, here I am reading 5,28,425 plus second number 957 plus third number, it should be 46,711 here. Now if you observe all these three numbers here, first number is of 6 digit, second number is just of 3 digit, and third number is of 5 digit. Now it is important to understand that the number of digits in all these three given number is different here. So it is very crucial, important to get the vertical arrangement correct. So let's observe the vertical method for this addition. Now the bigger number is of 6 digit, so here I am taking 6 columns starting from ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000, and at last lakh here. Now first number we easily write down in here, 5,28,425. all digits goes at proper places there. Now second number we just arrange here 957. so if you arrange 957 in opposite manner, that means first we arrange ones place, that means 7 we write below 5 in ones column, we write 5 into tens column, that is below 2, 9 we arrange below into the 100 column, that is below 4 there. In this way we can arrange second number proper way. Now it is important again to arrange third number in same proper way. Now oppositely 1 we write below 7 in ones column, next one that we arrange into the tens column below 5, next digit 7 we arrange into the 100 column, that is below 9. Thereafter next digit 6 we arrange into 1000 column, that is below 8, and 4 this next digit we arrange into 10,000 place below 2. So this is the proper vertical arrangement method. I hope so you will be understand this vertical method here, how we can arrange 2 or more than 2 numbers in vertical method here. After making this vertical arrangement correct way, now it is important to start the addition from ones column. Now let's observe the ones column there. In one column we have 3 digits there and we want to make their addition at a time. So starting here 5 plus 7, first we make addition, that we get 12, and in that 12 we make plus 1, 12 plus 1 we get 13. So as a result we got 13 there. Now into the answer we write only one digit, so for 13 we write 3 into ones column and 1 taken as a carry into the next tens column. Now let's move towards tens column here. Now in tens column again we observe 3 digit, 2 plus 5 we get 7, 7 plus 1 8. Now into this 8 we make carry plus there, that is plus 1, 8 plus 1 we got 9, so we write 9 into the tens column as a answer. Now we move towards 100 column here. Again in 100 column we observe 3 digits there. First 4 plus 9 we get 13, 13 plus 7 we got 20. Now 20 is a 2 digit number, so for 20 we write 0 as the answer and 2 taken in as a carry into the next column, that is 1000 here. Now let's move towards 1000 column. 8 plus 6 we got 14, and in that 14 we make plus 2, so 14 plus 2 we got 16 there. And now for 16 we write there 6 as a answer and 1 taken as a carry into the next addition into 10,000 column. Now at 10,000 column there 2 plus 4 we got 6 and we make plus 1 in that, 6 plus 1 we got 7 there. Now the last column 5, it has a single digit, so we write its answer as 5 as it is. So after making the addition in this way we got the final answer as 5,76,093. So at last, the answer, the numbers that we add into this example of addition, that always called as addend, ADDEND. This is the important concept here. The numbers that we add in the example, such numbers are called addend. And second concept, the final answer of addition that we get, that answer is called as sum, SUM. So addend and sum, these two words are related with the operation of addition. Now into this third example, after this third example, we continues the addition of two or more than two numbers by making columns here. Now in this fifth standard, this is the explanatory part, so that's why here I am taking this column, but it is important, we had to make the addition of two or more than two numbers in vertical method without making columns. Can it is possible? So let's try to get how we can make the given two or more than two numbers in vertical method without columns here. Now here I am taking into the next slide in front of you. On this slide, now here I am taking two numbers in front of you. That's in front of you in this way. The first number that I want to take here, that is, let's observe carefully, 2479 plus 1471. The writing method is quite different on this slide here. So this is just explanatory part here. So here I am taking the addition in this way. 2479, this is just 4-digit number, and 1471, it is just of 4-digit. Now without making column, we had to arrange these two numbers below each other in vertical method. That's important. So first here I am getting the number 2479, take plus sign, it is important. Thereafter 1471. So in this, if you observe here, while making the vertical arrangement, 1 here I am writing below 1's place, that is 9, 7 below 7, 4 below 4, and 1 below 2. That's important. We write 1's place below 1's place, 10's place below 10's place, 100 place below 100, and 1000 below 1000. After making this vertical arrangement, now it is important to start from 1's place. So 9 plus 1, that we get 10. So for 10 we write 0, 1 carry into the next addition there. So 7 plus 7 we got 14, 14 plus 1, that 15. So for 15 we write 5, 1 carry into the next addition there. So next 4 plus 4, 8, 1 carry add into that. So 8 plus 1 we got 9 there, and last addition 2 plus 1, that we get 3. So here I am getting the answer, that is the sum result, 3950. This is the first example that here I am explaining without column here. Now let's move towards the next example in front of you. So into this next example, here I am getting at the side of this your camera. The example, we continues here. 2,46,171. Here I am taking plus sign. 3,18,119. So the writing method is quite different. First number that here I am taking, suppose comma sign here I am taking as 2,46,171. The between sign here I am taking as plus 1 there. suppose, and second number 3,18,119 here. Now this two number we want to make arrange into the vertical method. So first number here I am put down into this example, that is 2,46,171. Then take plus sign. Second number, while arranging 3,18,000, thereafter 119. So take horizontal line. After arranging these two numbers one below each other, now we get the meaning here. 9 we write below 1, 1 below we write below 7, again 1 we write below 1, 8 we write below 6, 1 we write below 4, and last 3 we write below 2 here. Now we have to start after arranging this vertical method. Now we have to start here addition from ones column, ones place. So 1 plus 9 we got 10. So for 10 we write 0 there, and 1 taken as carry into the next addition. So 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 we got 9 there. This is after that 1 plus 1 we got 2, 6 plus 8 we got 14. So for 14 we write 4, 1 carry into the next addition. So 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6 there, and last addition 2 plus 3 we got 5 is there. So we got answer here 5,64,290. that is called as sum of these two numbers. Now when we observe this slide into this video, the writing method of digit, it is somewhat in a different manner. Now this is a digital handwriting. Our regular handwriting is quite different, and this digital handwriting is somewhat getting different, keep in mind. So we had to keep the relation to the part that we explain here. Now into the next example that I am taking, we are getting three numbers for the addition, and we want to make them in vertical method by a proper way. So how we can make? Let's continue here. First I am taking the numbers in front of you in this way. 2,16,178 plus 426 plus 16,175. So into this example, the first number that here I am taking 2,16,178. Now this number for the answer we continue here 2,16,178. Then take plus sign. Second number 426 plus third number that we want to arrange 16,175. So if you observe the vertical arrangement, while taking the vertical arrangement into this example here, we write 8, 6 and 5 digits at ones place below each other, then digits at tens place, that are 7, 2 and 7, one below each other. Digits at 100 place 1, 4, 1, we write one below each other. Now 6 and 6, that are digit at 1000 place, we write below each other. Digit at 10,000 place, we write one below each other, and digit 2 we write separately there. So into this example, while taking three numbers here, we write all digits at proper way at their own places here. Now when we want to get the answer of this addition, here I am explaining the answer of this example orally. Now when we make the addition of 8 plus 6 plus 5, 8 plus 6, that we get 14, 14 plus 5 we get 19. So 9 as the result, we take the answer. 1 taken as carry into the next addition. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 7 16, plus 1 17. So we write 7 into the answer, 1 carry into the next addition there. So 1 plus 4 5, plus 1 6, plus 1 7. We take 7 there. Thereafter 6 plus 6 we got 12. So for 12 we write 2, 1 carry into the next addition. 1 plus 1 2, plus 1 3 at next answer, and last 2 as it is. So the result of these three numbers addition we got as 2,32,779. So with the help of this example, here I am stating how we can make the addition of two or more than two examples without column. So this is the important about this addition process here. Now I want to make here clearly that this is the first video we based on the concept of addition, its meaning, how we can continue the addition of two or more than two numbers in vertical method here. So in the next second video, we are getting the problem set that are given in our textbook that based on this addition process here. So we continues the next part into the next video. So till we had to stop into this videos there.